Hi guys, if your Instax Mini 12 is flashing or blinking or won't take pictures, the camera is usually detecting a power or film issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn the exact causes and the safest fixes. So on the Instax Mini 12, the flashing orange lights usually indicates the weak batteries or sometimes the film loading problem, or sometimes it is due to lens startup failure or internal power interruption. So the blinking pattern helps warn that the camera cannot initialize properly. So the Mini 12 works best with the fresh alkaline AA batteries like this one as shown over here. So you need to avoid mixing the old and the new batteries or using weak rechargeable cells. The low voltage is the most common reason the lights keep flashing continuously. Now you need to open the film door and confirm the cartridge is seated correctly with the yellow marks aligned. Then simply close the door firmly. If the film pack is misaligned, the camera may refuse to operate. Now you can also turn the camera on and watch the lens. If it struggles to extend or retract, gently check the dirt or the obstruction around the lens barrel. A stuck lens motor can trigger the blinking error lights immediately after the startup. So these steps are going to solve most of the Instax Mini 12 blinking light issues quickly. And if any of these methods work for you, just make sure that you let me know in the comment section. Thank you.